Good evening. We're going to continue with Unit 4, Lesson 31. Decompose non-unit fractions into a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. Remember, a unit fraction is where we're always going to show 1 out of whatever that we're doing. Unit fraction always has the 1 in the numerator. A cafeteria has 7 pints of milk in a crate. Each pint is 1/8 of a gallon. How much of a gallon is in the crate? So if there's 7 pints, we would have to say 7 groups of 1/8. So we could actually write this out: 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Keep going till we get to 7 1/8. But why would we want to do repeated addition when the faster way of doing this would just be multiplication? 7 times 1/8. 7 times the 1 would give us 7. In the denominator, you do not multiply. That just stays the same. 7/8. So there's 7/8 of a gallon in there. Now, we could do this too. We could make 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. And box them up like this to show that this all equals 7/8. All right, we have 9/12, and we want to have this represent this by using the unit fractions. So 9/12, we're going to do 9 times 1/12. That's that unit fraction. We multiply the 9 and the 1, and we get 9 in the numerator. And the denominator always stays the same, so it's 9/12. So 9/12 is the 9th multiple of 1/12. This is important to remember. 9/12 is the 9th multiple of 1/12. You could actually draw out those pictures too. 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, all the way till you get to 9/12. Okay, now we have 12/10. And 12/10, we would show 12 times the unit fraction of 1/10. We multiply 12 and 1, and we get 12, and the denominator stays the same, 12/10. So how I would write this out is 12/10 is the 10th, not 10th, 12th multiple of 1/10. 12/10 is the 12th multiple of the unit fraction of 1/10. You'll get it, buddy, someday. It's nice up here. Keep trying. Oh, don't you feel bad for that one that just puts his chin up there and says, how come I can't do it? Well, because it takes practice, just like you. This is going to take you some practicing. 7/12. And I want to know what the multiple of it is and how you would write it as a multiplication, that unit fraction. 6/4. Again, how is it going to be written, and what multiple of the unit fraction would this be? I'm so proud of you. Keep going. We'll practice this more tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.